Welcome to day 20, This Old Man.
Day 21.
The harmony is very much an oompa style. I'm going to give you 2 counts, and then there'll be 2 counts of silence before we come in. Here we go. 1, 2. Harmony, 1. If you're wondering why we played it twice, there are 2 little dots at the end which mean a repeat sign, so you jump back to the beginning, just like if you're playing pinball and it jumps it back to the beginning and then you play it again. For a harmony line like that, I always work on tone, because if you have a part that's really boring, work on the beauty of every note, and that way you won't find it as boring and it'll be more fun to play. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button, as the boys say, and have a great day. Bye.